Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are continuing with our Advent of Code journey. And for today we are going to do the day number 3. So let's start reading. However, you may notice that I have a new overlay here to Twitch stuff. I learned something and applied some cool theme that I found online. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. So you and Elf eventually reach a gondola lift station. He says that gondola lift will take you up to the water source, but this is as far as we can bring you. You go inside. Doesn't take long to find the gondolas. There are some problem. They're not moving. Oh! You turn around to see a slightly greasy elf with a wrench and look of surprise. Sorry, I wasn't expecting anyone. The gondola lift isn't working right now. It'll still be a while before I can fix it. You offer to help. Yeah? Let's help. The engineer explained that an engine part seems to be missing from the engine, but nobody can figure out which one. If you cannot up all the part numbers in the engine schematic, it should be easy to work out which part is missing. Add all the part numbers. Okay. The engine schematic, your puzzle input consists of a visual representation of the engine. There are lots of numbers and symbols you don't really understand, but apparently any number adjacent to a symbol, even yet diagonally, is a part number. So any number adjacent to a symbol is a part number and should be included in the sum. Periods do not count as symbol. Okay. Here's an example engine schematic. 467 ... 114. Okay, so here I think that 467 is adjacent and 335 is adjacent to this star. Well, it looks complex. This exercise is a bit complex, I think. In this one schematic, two numbers are not part numbers. Two numbers are not part numbers. Oh, so I think 114 is not a part number, and 58. Yeah, they are not adjacent to a symbol. Okay, I think I understood the question. Every other number is adjacent to a symbol. Okay, the sum is blah blah blah. Of course, the actual engine schematic is much larger, but what is the sum of all the part numbers in it? Okay, let's grab the input. Wow. Here we are with our GitHub repository. Create a new folder, number 3. Input.txt. And let's copy our input. Our user. Usually we create a solution.go. Oh, as I recall, I'm learning Go right now, so maybe I do not know all the keywords from Go or the patterns. So in the meanwhile, I think I will go and see some stuff online, some guides, as you do when you're learning new language, right? So to start, this is solution from last round, and no, actually it's from the first day. We probably need the second day because it contains much stuff and it's better to have this. So for now, let's just initialize our import. Let's say we need FMT, which is the package to print. Put a line FMT, this one. We should also check for errors. Let's copy this. And yeah, we have Copilot here, which suggests us for a function main. Here we can at least read the inputs, check for errors, and convert the input to a string. Then maybe we should read the lines, because each line has stuff in it. So this is the end of the line. Yeah, so let's read the lines. Yeah. So input lines. Let's just print the first line to get a view. First line. Let's change to the third day here in the console, and let's print go solution.go. Go run. Oh yeah, go run. Undefined strings. Oh yeah, because we need also the strings package. Yeah, as I said yesterday, we probably need a way to make common utilities between the various days, and I didn't have time to do that. Sorry. I will probably do that offline, maybe today or later today or tomorrow. So first line, we are printing the first line. Yeah. And let's just print also the second line to have a clue which is adjacent to what. Second line. Maybe we can do that. Just to be sure it starts the very same character. Okay, so at the first sight, this is adjacent to this one, and 124 is adjacent to this. So how do you say that? You say that because the position of 305 is in this range, right? So the symbol is in this range, so you can say that 305 is adjacent to a symbol. So we should there are many ways to do that, I think. So I'm thinking right now. So let's say for each number, you look for adjacent symbol, and with adjacent symbol, an adjacent symbol can be in the same line, in the next line, or in the previous line. Yeah. And to be adjacent, let's print the third line too. So we have the three cases. So let's take 113, for example. Here we should check for this. And for these positions, and also this position here. And obviously for these positions, and you see that there's a symbol here, so we can count 113 in the last sum. Okay, so whenever you encounter a number in your line, you should do this check. So first of all, you have to recognize that this is a number. Yeah. So we already done that. I think the first day we have extra digits here that will yeah, but this one was for the first digit and last digit. So no, this is not useful for now. But let's do something simpler, easier. First of all, we have to go through all the lines, of course. So for this one, go through the lines, and we should also save index here, because at one line we also want to check the line after, or the line before. So we should know which current line index we are in. So let's go through all the numbers. For let's break at first cycle to just we just want to see if we are iterating right. So 46 must be the dots, right? What if we do like that? So we should see 305. 305, yes. But the index is never, oh yeah, because it's the line index. So line index. This point, we should do this because we should know if it's digit or not. If we code is digit, so it's not a symbol. So we have two cases here. Three cases: digit, space, which is a dot, or not letter but symbol. So here, this is a digit. So we want to know the whole number, right? Not just the digit, because we let's say we encounter a 3. We want to know the whole number here. So I'll do that. Thank you, PingYS. So we can split the string and take this split this string from dot to dot, and we have this number. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, of course. When I'll finish the stream, I'll check you out. Thank you for the follow. Let's come back here. So we want to iterate all the digits from this number. Yeah, let's do the string split. So we have char index. Here we want to split the string, so we have a substring. Let's see how they do that. Substring go. Oh, pretty easy, right? But we want to use as a second parameter here the index of the next point, the next dot. So actually not the dot, but everything which is not a digit. So it's going to be hard. Let's make a function, guys. Func extract next number. This is the input string. Yeah. GitHub Copilot is such a powerful tool. So input string index. This is the bar. If code dot e number. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. So if it is a digit, number, extra number from char index. But also we want to know which is the last index of this number, because we want to know in which indexes we should check. So extra next number with index, and can remember, maybe I did once to return two values, so a tuple from a function. Return to function go. multiple return values, or you do just like that. So int var last index int last index equal e, and you do like that. Number last index. Let's see if it will get exact the same number here. Let's stop at the first number. Of course, this is wrong name. Undefined string conv. Should import also this one. (305) last index 21. So let's go and see if this is right. Call 23. So is zero based, so it's right because we have 22, but since it's zero based, can be 21 because here we have call 1. Yes. So the index is right. We are extracting right. And if it is digit, we should of course we should check for symbols in other lines. So we should check for symbols in other and in this line for a range of char index -1 and last index +2. Okay, check for symbols in this line, previous line and next line for range and index, no, char index -1, last index +2. So how do you do that? Let's say we have a function with an input string and a range, and this function should check if the string contains symbols in this range. Yeah. Fun. So check for symbols. Check for symbols, input string, start, end, and for the E equals start, E I minor than minor equal, I think. Minor equal and I plus plus. If not this digit, okay. And it is not room. So room input.date not equal to dot return true, return false. So let's see. For the first line, it should give false, right? Let's test it with the first line. Check for symbol, line, -1, and print the result. Let's see. Symbols false. So it works. Instead, for the second line, we should have true. Should have true. Let's do like that. The end. It lines 1. Let's go. Symbols true. So, yeah, we have the function that we wanted. So, previous line has symbols in range and is check for symbol input lines, line index -1, child index -1, last index +2, +1, sorry. So this one for the current line this is a simple line because we have it, and same thing for next. Here we should check if it has the current line as previous and as next line. So if line index greater than 0. So we are not at the first line. We should check for the previous. We can also do like that. Var as adjacent symbols folds symbols equal this or this if line index, yes, this one, line index minor than length input lines -1. So we are not at the very last line. We should check for next line. This is how you check for next line. And finally, you can check for the current line. At the end, if it has adjacent symbol, we should count the bar sum equals 0, and we should count this. Maybe we print number, so to do some debug. However, if, yeah, this one last index, because you did run all through this index, so you don't need to, this for doesn't need to go through the very same number that you had just read, right? So we have this digit case. Maybe we should do some printing. And we also break at the first line, yes. Or maybe we should break at the second this time, or the third. Just to be sure it will do some elaboration. So let's stop at the third line. Let's see. So what it is. Line, okay, so the first line, first number 305, last index this, and 305 as adjacent symbol is right. Next number 5, okay, so maybe, oh, I see, is taking the 5 here. Indeed, because he checked for 124 and then he checked for 24. Yeah, we should change the way we are resetting the index, and this should be +1. So again, 305, and it has symbols. Oh, again, number 5, last thing that's 21. Oh, this time it took 305, 5, 5 again, then 24, so it's not correct. This is not correct. Maybe this is wrong. We can also use a while, because maybe the for the fourth cycle is auto adding one. So while cycle in go. Okay, so for condition code block. For, let's say that we char index here 0, for char index minor length line, and at the end else for now char index plus plus, that's dragging definite char is digit, so char is line char index one, two, three. Okay. Oh, now it seems to work because we have 305, then 124, number 432, and it doesn't have additional symbol there, which is correct. Then we have 576, which hasn't symbols. 313 hasn't symbols. 514, and it has symbols, right? Okay, pretty much it looks like it's working. Let's test it with maybe 768, which is an additional symbol, but is kinda at the very last position here, so maybe it's causing some issues. So it was at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's test it. Yeah, 768. as adjacent symbols, right? So maybe we can go ahead, because maybe we don't need all of the cases here, because you want to do something only if there's a number, right? You want to add to the final count only if it is a number. So maybe we just want to delete this if and print the result. Let's hope, cross fingers. Okay, out of range. So it breaks at this line, which is 26. So why? Oh, we can see that it was the first that has the very first position here. So maybe he's looking for indexes that are minor than 0. Yeah, we didn't check for the index. We can do one thing. We can add a condition here to avoid go out of range. So if start minor than 0, start equal 0. Yeah, can do that like that. Let's check. So it breaks maybe for the opposite. Yeah. So GitHub Copilot helped us. Let's check with this. So the sum should be sum. Okay, so let's copy this. Oh, that's the right answer. This time I'm the first guessing right. We did that. So for today is all. Thank you for following me and have a good weekend. Bye bye.